Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin s to the power of 6, we need to separate them into sin s squared multiplied by sin s to the power of 4. Next, we have 2 square over 2 square. Because I want to combine 2 cosine s, sin s, everything to the power of 2. So this one in here, we change for 2 sin s cosine s to the power of 2. So we have the formula in here. 2 sin s cosine s, we change for sin 2s. Sin s square, we change for 1 minus cosine 2s over 2. This one we change for sin 2s. This one sin 4s to the power of 4, that's about sin s squared to the power of 2. So we put this one go in here. Now we need to expand this one. And we have 1 minus 2 cosine 2s plus cosine 2s squared over 4. Next, number 4 and 2 square, we will have about 1 over 16. So this one multiplied by number 1 cosine 2s cosine 2s squared. Sin 2s squared, we change just similar for this formula in here. So we will have about 1 minus cosine 4s over 2. This one, we put about 2 square over 2 square. So we do the same technique as the first one in here. So this one, we will have about 2 sin 2s cosine 2s, everything to the power of 2. And this one in here is about sin 4s. And this one we change for 1 minus cosine 8s over 2. Next, we need to separate them into here and here. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 cosine 4s. This one is about 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 cosine 8s. One over 2 plus 1 over 8 is about 5 over 8. So I will concentrate this one only. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 2s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have 2 cosine 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So sine 2s we change for u. Cosine 2s ds we change for du over 2. And the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. So number 3 and number 2, we have 1 over 6. About u, that's about sine 2s. Now, we have the final answer. The integration of 5 over 8, we have 5 over 8s. The integration of cosine 4s, we have 1 over 4 sine 4s. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 6 multiplied by sine 2s to the power of 3. And the next one, that's about 1 over 8 sine 8s. And we put about c in here. And now we need to simplify this one. 1 over 16 multiplied by 5 over 8. This number, and this number. So we have the final answer. That's about 5 over 128s minus 1 over 128 sine 4s minus 1 over 48 sine 2s to the power of 3. And the last one, that's about 1 over 1024 sine 8s. And we put about c. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.